Good morning, guys. It's a Saturday and I have my retainer in, so if I'm talking weird, that's why. If you see the Starbucks cup behind me, I already ran some errands this morning. I went to, where'd I go? I went to the bank. I had to get some money to pay the Christmas lights people to remove the Christmas lights. They're coming today for that, I think. And then, I'm out of breath. Why? And then I ran to the post office to return this Patagonia sweater that I got my daughter for Christmas, but it doesn't fit her very well. So we're returning that. And then I had to buy some stamps. I don't need stamps very often, but there are some bills that I actually like to send in because they charge a fee to pay online and I'm like, no. So I had to go get some stamps to mail off a bill, and I have my laundry in my hand, so we're gonna go to the laundry room and sort some laundry and get that going today. And my niece is coming over. I'm watching her. She's probably gonna be here in about an hour. Not gonna vlog much of that. Maybe I'll get her cute little feet or something. I know that's kind of annoying, but I'm sorry. Anyway, here's Aloxi. You can see her. Yeah. Good morning, princess. She's adorable. So let's go ahead and get this laundry sorted and going. I'm gonna grab the tripod. Come on, guys. Let's go. Girls, gals. Alright, I went ahead and vacuumed this entryway. Loxy likes to roll around in the dry grass, and then she brings all those flakes in. So I wanted to get everything clean up off the floor because, a little 1-year-old walking around, crawling. And yeah, so I vacuumed here, I vacuumed in here. Look at Loxy's little bear. I didn't vacuum in my office, I don't know why. And I vacuumed in here. And then I went ahead and put on her favorite cartoon on Netflix, which is Bug Beats. She really, really loves the show. So, got that on for her. Loxy's outside. And I also vacuumed my room. So, room is vacuumed, bed is made. That's the coloring books and puzzles I worked on last night. I can't find my farm letters, so I have no idea where I put those. And let's see, I have another candle going on. Not another, I have one candle burning in the house this morning, which is the one that I recently hauled from Dollar Tree. I'm hoping it's going to burn as beautiful as it smells without it being lit. Also, who remembers when I first moved in here and there were sounds coming from right there? It ended up being squirrels because there was a hole in the roof, so the whole roof got redone. Well, I had some work done in the garage because some of the drywall was falling, and so I don't know if during that time that the guy had taken the old drywall down where there was a hole to there. There's another attic above my garage, but guess what is in the attic making that same noise? Squirrels. You can see like where the repair was done. There was no painting involved, but this was the drywall that was falling down. It was like this whole corner was down and you could see into the attic, and I just thought it was gonna like fall on my car. So anyway, that got done, but now there are squirrel sounds in that corner over there. So that's super exciting. Look at my hair today. Today's a no makeup day, obviously. I don't feel like putting on makeup. I'm just wearing some usual workout stuff just because, you know, she's gonna come over here. I don't want to wear a hat because I like to like kiss her, and my hat sometimes bumps her head. So not wearing a hat and just no makeup today because I never look good. I feel like I look better when I'm trying to put my hair up in a bun when I don't have makeup on. I feel like when I have makeup on, I just look really weird, you know? Do you hear Lexi? Oh, do you hear Lexi? Ew, no, no. No, no. Ew, no, no. No, no. All right, and the cute little munchkin is gone now, so I already miss her. She was actually crawling up the steps, so I couldn't believe how fast she was moving, and I think it was our first time like attempting that. So anyway, had a blast with her. We went to the park. She played with Loxy. She loves Loxy. And then as soon as like her mom and dad showed up, Loxy started barking at them, and then it scared her. Poor thing. All right, so I know I was watching some of my older vlogs and I was like talking about my stomach being hurt, but yeah, I had like the food poisoning in November, and then like my stomach hurt in December, like somewhere in there, I don't even remember. But just to let you know, my stomach's like completely fine now. Like feel like I'm trusting chicken again, because that's like what originally gave me stomach poisoning. But I'm hungry, and I have not had just some good old fast food junk in a while, so I'm gonna go get some lunch. It's actually almost dinner time, but I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day except for some yogurt, so I think I'm gonna go to Wendy's. So I went a little ham. I got a double burger thing, whatever they call those here. Double cheeseburger, or is it, I don't know what their terminology is. I know like McDonald's has their thing, Whataburger, all that, but I got the double with a Sprite, French fries, and I got a chocolate Frosty. I haven't had a Frosty in like a year, maybe longer, so I feel zero guilt about it, really. I approve my order. Okay. Should have gone with the Coke. Thank you. I should have gone with the large. I think Wendy's has some of the best fries. Like, actually, I think Wendy's is my favorite fast food French fries. When I was younger, so I guess a little story time, which I don't really ever talk about like my personal life that often, but I lived in Brazil with my dad, and one of my childhood memories with him, because he had a hotel like thing, just a hotel business, and so like I would go to work with him, and I remember like his chef making me French fries, and I'd have it with, oh God. This is the second time that I have freaking done this. Oh, man. I wonder if there's like a way out of this place. Ooh, I think there is. I have no idea where I'm going. Anyway, so I remember being in Brazil. I remember a lot of things actually from that time with my father, almost more so than like from when I moved to the US and through high school. Like, my memory is really weird. But anyway, I remember he had, like, it was like a resort type of hotel, and so I remember being outside and like sitting at the bar area, and then the guy making me French fries, and I would have it with a Fanta, and it was just such a delicious snack. And it is like, I don't know, I loved it so much then that it still resonates with me now. So anytime I have like French fries that have a similar taste to it, which the fries were like freshly made from like straight up potatoes, and so Wendy's has that kind of quality to them a little bit. I feel like when you go to McDonald's, the way that they like slice their French fries is completely different. I feel like with Wendy's you can kind of still, some of them have like the skin from the potato. So anyway, I just went off on a tangent, and it was a memory of mine, and I love French fries and Fanta until this day. Alright, got my Sprite, my fries. I get my burger completely plain like a child, like literally meat and cheese only, but I will have ketchup with it. So I'm basically 9 years old. No, I don't think there's anything wrong with having your burger plain. I just have never liked stuff on it. And then my chocolate frosty.